Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to duplicate page in Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To duplicate the page in Microsoft Word, you can copy the content of the page you want to duplicate with your cursor. There are plenty of reasons why you might want to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word document, especially if you're creating a template. It's a pretty simple process. So here's how to duplicate page in Word. So first of all, can open the Word document, the file. This one. Now you want to duplicate this page. It's very simple. So you can add new blank page. You can go to insert on the menu bar, click on blank page. So now you have a new page. Unfortunately, there's no menu to duplicate, so you can just copy and paste your content on your page that you want to duplicate. Like this one, you can just plug this content and copy and paste in here. So now you have the same page on your Microsoft Word. It's so simple, right? So that is how to duplicate page in Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!